It's been raining a lot lately, and although it's been beautiful, I haven't been able to do much in the garden. So welcome to what to do and what not to do on a rainy-ish day in your garden. Number 1, don't wear a straw hat. The rain will make it misshapen. Do shake off excess rain from your plants that tend to bow from the raindrops, like this purple sand cherry, if you want. Do pick up any stray sticks that have fallen or stems. It's better to don't do any pruning of herbaceous perennials. Do pull up stray grasses that are growing among your plants. Well, and don't pull it up without roots if you can. Do enjoy the vibrant colors of the lichen. Don't do any major sawing of thicker branches. Do realize that the angle of this tree keeps this part dry while it rains. Do take this opportunity of moistened soil to pull up all the weeds that have grown in thanks to the rain. Do pull up hard to pull up trees that have planted themselves. Don't do it without pulling up the roots. Don't dig up larger plants because the water will have made the soil way too heavy to lift the plant. Digging up smaller plants, although not ideal, I will allow it. Have plants that didn't make it through the winter? Do pull them up if you can. Do take a stroll around your garden. Do notice the tiny wildflowers in the grass. Do enjoy the singing birds. Do go mushroom hunting. Found one. I think it's a puffball. No, it's not. It's an egg. And it's hatched. Do wash your hands after touching that. Found some. Don't eat the mushroom. Do look closely at the moss. Do watch your step because you could have some bunnies somewhere in here. Wow, I just found another egg. Do find signs of squirrels eating from their nut storage. Do sniff the fresh air. Do get watched by the chipmunks. Hi. Do pick up any trash that you stumble upon. Do wear gloves if you're doing this somewhere other than home. A third egg. Do take this time to check your plants for signs of life. There's our palm tree. And most of all, enjoy the effect of the rain on your plants. Do have mixed feelings about the petals on the ground. Do be surprised that there are still pollinators even when it's wet out here. Do stare at the rain droplets. Do get excited about the blooms that are about to pop. Do ponder about what that goop is on my bonfire patio peach. Do notice the curls and twirls and unfurls. Do pull away old stems if they'll easily come away. Do notice the pop of chartreuse against last year's brown. Whoa. Do realize there are a lot of insects out right now. Do take the time to pull up grass from in between your stones. Do pick out debris from your flower beds. Do wonder where this grass came from because you don't have it in your garden. It's pretty though. Do not trim your excessively overgrown espalier apple tree. Do notice that some plants retain the water while others look completely dry. I found another one. Can you guess what this is? Do not pull off old flower stems too hard, or you may pull up your plant. Do pull up weeds between your pavers. Do realize that you have a lot of flowers coming. Do sit in your car and enjoy the rain sometimes. Do keep an eye out for rainbows. Oof, do be careful walking up steps. And don't slip. Do place your potted plants out in the rain so they can soak up the water. Do pinch your pansies if you want to. Do collect water in your watering cans and use that to water your plants. Don't water your plants now. Do pull up invasive plants like this staghorn sumac if you can. Oh my goodness. Or, well, you did the best you could. Don't throw invasive plants into your compost. Do throw them in the trash. Don't get your hands muddy unless you're fine with your fingers becoming dry. And since you're a gardener, you probably are. Do enjoy the freshly filled bird bath. Don't prune off this rose bit that's glaring at you from afar. Wait till it's dry. Do pull up ground cover that's escaping your flower beds. And do take a whiff of the lilacs. Do enjoy the dandelions. And do accept some weeds as part of the family. Do sit on the ground and enjoy your garden from this point of view. Do spend time sitting in one spot quietly, hoping that the birds will come, even if they don't, or even if you don't catch them on camera. There's a hummingbird. Do pull up last year's iris leaves. Do notice how much bigger your plants are this year. Do spend time placing plants you've purchased in spots you think you'd like to plant them. Do plan on removing these wayward raspberries, but I might wait until they have berries, because this is a really easy spot to get them from. Do realize that what's left after last year's flowers is kind of cool, especially in how different everything is. Do grab a chair. Do put away your camera.